Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Success Sector. I am Komal Kadam and here we go for the part 3 of Ultimate Purpose of Success. Part 3 is related with success in the realm of saying. It says, untie the natural communicator within you. The topic is communication for self-expression. Man has been empowered with the power of speech, which is the second realm you have to work upon. The vibration of negative words has a damaging effect on you. There are even physical ramifications to it. Positive words create a vibration that produces beautiful results. Now, through words, thoughts can be altered, and through thoughts, feelings can be altered. The vibration of every word has the power to either rejuvenate your health or push you down the mire of illnesses. Use words with care. Be aware of what you say and work on the words and lines that you tend to use if you want to complete success. Look back on your choices of word in daily activities. When you want to tell someone, don't shout, you can instead of speak softly. You will see the effect that such positive words have on your body as well as others. Positive vibrations of your words will begin to help you. Instead of saying, don't slam the door, you can say, close it gently. You say the same thing but in positive manner. It will give you pleasant result. Parents often complain that their children don't listen to them, but they do not realize that they themselves use negative language with their children. Children are quick to form images in their mind about what is being said to them. When you say words like don't shout or don't bang, an image of violence is created in their brain, which affects them negatively. Hence, it is very important that you start using positive language with your children. When troubled by fear of failure, go into a meditative state and repeat this line to yourself: I am God's prosperity. My success is assured. Recitation of these words will generate the power within you. When you say these words with assertion, a field of positive vibration is created around you, which pulls success towards you from wherever it is. Such is the power of words. The power of words will help us achieve success if we bring about a positive change in our talk. Choose your words carefully. If your focus is on what you have lost, you will always remain unhappy. If your focus is on what you have gained, you will always remain happy. A happy man can never hurt anyone. When you purchase an exercise equipment, instead of saying that you had to spend so much money to buy it, you should say to yourself, I now have the equipment and the technique to achieve good health. Learn this art of choosing your words while saying them to others or to yourself. That is self-talk. The day your words brim with faith and wisdom, your self-talk will change into something like free time is not meant for boredom. It is an opportunity to think creatively and discover something. God has provided everything in abundance. I am blessed with abundant love, money, time, happiness, health, and contentment. Life loves me and wants to see me successful. My mind overflows with divine thoughts, hence, success is easy for me. Free yourself from the mesh of old, stale words. Learn to use new positive words and feeling. The next topic is powerful personality for self-expression. For complete success, it is important to learn natural self-expressions. Personality is simply defined as what you think about yourself, or in other words, what you believe yourself to be. This is called self-image. What personality is not? Personality is also not about how good a communicator you are. It is also not about the knowledge you have. There are once again many examples of those who are good speakers but have a poor personality. Their knowledge gives them an edge in speaking, but yet when you meet them, you don't feel good. You don't feel good because they don't feel good inside. What they think about themselves get transmitted. Personality is just what you think yourself to be. I shall improve my communication and then my personality will improve. I shall improve this or that and then my personality will improve. Is the problem. The list is the problem. It stops you. The list is a set of reasons because of which you keep saying that one day you shall have a great personality. Just understand that personality is what you think yourself to be. Change your thoughts about yourself. It takes a moment to change your thoughts. It will reflect on your personality. Then your self expression and its impact on others will be simply amazing. So, guys, here we completed the part 3 of this book, and I think this book helped you to understand what is personality actually and also how to communicate in the life by using positive words. If you like my video, please press the like button and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.